Hello everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about permutation and combination problems. This is a very important topic from the GRE perspective because it contains at least 2 to 3 problems in a whole GRE test. Let's go through this chocolate distribution problem. Jonu, Monu and Sonu are given 100 chocolates by their father. If each of them receive at least one chocolate, then in how many ways can they distribute the chocolates among themselves? So basically, we want to divide these 100 chocolates into 3 chunks such that each of them should receive at least one chocolate. To go about in solving this problem, we can try out by a smaller number of chocolates. Suppose I have 8 chocolates with me. Let's try using a figure. So these are 8 chocolates and I want to distribute among 3 students. So the way to approach this problem is by putting vertical bars in between these chocolates like this. So I have divided these 8 chocolates into 3 chunks. The first chunk will get 2 chocolates, the second one 3 chocolates, and the last one 3 chocolates. So in this sense, I have divided 8 chocolates into 3 chunks and each of them has received at least one chocolate. So this is one possible way of dividing these 8 chocolates. There are many ways in which we can divide, which will depend the ways we can put these two vertical bars in these 7 spaces. So essentially, I am selecting 2 spaces out of the 7 spaces. The way to select 2 spaces out of 7 spaces is basically the combination problem, 7C2. Selecting 2 spaces from 7 spaces. So that comes down to 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1. This is basically 21. So what did we learn here? That if we have 8 chocolates, we can divide it into 3 chunks in 21 possible ways. So essentially, if I mark my n is equal to 8 and k is equal to 3, here n is total number of chocolates I want to divide and k is number of students in which I am dividing my chocolates. So the formula becomes n minus 1 c k minus 1, which becomes 7c2, hence 21. So this is the formula, this is the trick we will keep in our mind while distributing type of problems. Now let's go back to our original problem and let's try to use this formula in the quickest ways possible. So here n is equal to 100 because we want to distribute 100 chocolates. K is equal to 3 because in the question I have 3 students in which I want to divide my chocolates. So using my formula n minus 1 ck minus 1 is equal to 99c2, which is basically 99 into 98 upon 2 into 1. Solving this, we will get 4851, hence the option C. So guys, if you remember this formula and apply this formula whenever you see a distribution type of problem, you can quickly apply this and get the answer. So we'll be discussing more such type of problems, how to deal all these GRE quant tips and tricks in the forthcoming videos. Please help in liking, sharing and subscribing the channel.